So I'm going to give you 5 non-camping items that are designed better than the actual camping items. Number 1 is this. This is actually a plant stand. Plant stands often work better than most camping side tables. I mean, yes, they fold flat like a regular campsite table, but this is actually designed to be used. The raised edges keep things from sliding off, which is great when you're on slightly uneven ground. The other nice thing is the tray lifts off, and so you can use it in bed as a bed tray, or you can even use it when you're dishing up food as a serving tray. And that's the difference. This was designed for real use, not just that it's portable. My name is Kara Schultz, and I am the author of Martinis and Marshmallows, A Field Guide to Luxury Tent Camping. And I love to camp, and I like to bring design principles to camping. The next one that we're going to talk about is rugs. You can, of course, use those plastic RV mats, and they are better for damp conditions. However, a cotton rug is far superior. So bring a few of them. They keep dirt from getting into your tent or your car camper. They insulate the bottom of your tent, and so it's not so cold when you wake up and you're putting your little toes out. You can fold them up and you can insulate your cooler with them. You can wrap up with them around the fire. And also, if it's a little cold out at night, you can even snuggle up with one and add an extra layer and use it as a blanket. I like them because they're more versatile, they're washable, they pack up much smaller, and you can get them really attractive. You can make your own and make them reversible. So I just think that these are a better option than what you're going to find with those plastic RV mats that, frankly, they're ugly. The next one I'm going to show you is something you probably have in your house already, and you can just grab it and take with you camping. It's a shower organizer. Shower organizers are amazing for camping, and there's several ways in which you can use them. It hangs, it's waterproof, it has all these built-in little shelves and pockets and hooks. And you can turn this into a system for whatever you need. And systems are what make camping easier. So is a shower organizer something that you would use? Do you have a better idea? Let me know in the comments. Okay, we'll get to number 5, which I think is probably going to be everyone's favorite. We'll see. You'll have to tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. But we're going to get to number 4. And this one, depending on what your state you live in, may not even be legal for you to use for its intended purposes. This is a stash box. For real, which you can definitely tell because that's where you're supposed to put your rolling papers and roll. But guess what? It is absolutely perfect for organizing your coffees and teas. I do like to keep my coffee and tea separate because in the morning when I'm like, I am barely alive, I just need caffeine, I can just grab this and I am ready to go. There's no thinking about it, anything like that. So this is one way of looking at design where you're looking at something and you don't have to use things for their intended purpose. They can be used for something entirely different as long as they solve the challenge that you are trying to solve. So do you have something like this? Something that is wildly not for camping and yet solves an amazing challenge that you're facing in camping? Let me know, let everyone else know, because sharing is caring. All right, we're at number 5, and this one is going to completely change how you experience cooking when you're camping, and that is an ironing board. I have an antique wood one, but you probably have one at home that is metal, and that's fine. Just take the cover off and you are ready to cook. So why do I say that this is a better design than any camp kitchen that is on the market? And if you know of one that is better than this, let me know, because I am up to that challenge. The reason why is because these are made to be worked at when you're standing. So this one can be at this height. It can go a little higher. It will adjust to your height. So it's very ergonomic. They're an iron, so you can use hot things on them and it's perfectly safe. The other thing is they are long and skinny, so it makes it easy to store in your car. But the other nice thing about it is it works like your countertop, so you have a flow to everything. So you can have a prep area where you are prepping food, which then flows into cooking. You can set up your dish cleaning thing. You can have a space right on your countertop, right? Because you're treating this like a kitchen, for your garbage. This just works a lot better, and this was just designed a lot better than any camp kitchen I have ever found or worked with. And that is the difference. Camping gear is often designed to pack down, and the things that I showed you are things that are designed to work for how you work. And that's exactly what I walk you through on the Curated Campsite Planner. It's a free PDF, so just download it. I put the link in the comments, and then tell me what you think. What design solutions have you found out there of really great solutions that aren't traditional camping gear, but you found work really well for you? I would love to hear them in the comments.